So, you want to find out how to get the reindeer items in DTI Mobile, also known as Dress to Impress on Roblox? I got you! In the USA and elsewhere, players in Dress to Impress often look forward to collecting special items from seasonal events. Reindeer-themed items like a pet or accessories are typically available during winter or Christmas holiday events. For example, a chibi reindeer pet was obtainable during a past Roblox Winter Spotlight event around December by collecting special tokens in the DTI Christmas Quest. Since it is currently May, these specific event items are likely not available to earn right now. You should keep an eye on official Dress to Impress announcements on their Roblox group page or community channels later in the year, usually closer to December, for information on returning winter events or new holiday items. Sometimes past items might reappear, and that's it.